Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cleaning the area thoroughly. This removes oils and dead cells so treatments work. Once your skin is dry, apply a targeted salicylic acid or niacinamide serum to reduce inflammation and unclog pores. Make sure to follow with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to restore the barrier. This prevents irritation. Wait 10–15 minutes so the active ingredients absorb before layering anything else. These first steps reduce redness and start fading marks by promoting gentle exfoliation and repair. Once you've established basic tolerance, add a chemical exfoliant to speed pigment removal. Choose AHA for surface marks or BHA for clogged pores. Use it 2 to 3 times weekly, increasing slowly as tolerated. In the mornings, apply a vitamin C serum to brighten hyperpigmentation and support collagen production. This complements exfoliation. Make sure to alternate potent actives rather than layering them. Doing too much at once causes irritation and can worsen marks rather than improve them. You finish by building a consistent long-term plan. Use a low-strength retinoid at night a few times per week to accelerate cell turnover and fade marks over months. Crucially, apply broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning and reapply when outdoors. Sun exposure darkens marks and negates progress. If you see persistent irritation, redness, or worsening pigmentation, scale back actives and give the skin time to recover. Then consult a dermatologist for stronger options like supervised peels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.